Hello friends, my name is Deepak Pathak. I am a seasoned procurement professional with over 30 years experience in multinational companies in procurement and supply chain domain, right? So today I am going to impart free knowledge on supply management modules. So first part is today is low cost country sourcing. So please listen my knowledge on the low cost country sourcing. Thank you. So, what is low cost country sourcing? Basically, low cost country sourcing is to procure the product or the services from the low cost countries where the manufacturing and labor costs are low than the high cost countries. So, which are the high cost countries and low cost countries? Basically, high cost countries are the North America, US, it's basically, and then Australia and Western Europe, all are the high cost countries, and all low cost countries are the India, China, Cambodia, Romania, Estonia, Slovenia, Slovakia, Peru, Cambodia, Vietnam, all these, all these are low cost countries where the labor cost, production cost, overheads are less, very low compared to high cost countries. Why to go for low cost? What are the benefits? So the large and sustainable cost advantage is the main driving force to go for low cost country sourcing, where the lower cost of manufacturing, lower labor cost, and lower overheads will drive, and you get a major advantage in terms of product cost reduction, manufacturing cost. So it ranges from 10% to 40% cost reduction in low cost country sourcing as compared to high cost country sourcing. And various challenges. What are the prerequisites to select the low cost country sourcing? You should have the in-depth knowledge of the category, the local footprint, the location preference, location knowledge, then the trade regulations, the tax laws, the local policy trends, the emerging trends, everything you should know, and study the complete global sourcing, global market, and based on the assessment of the country competitiveness mapping, the low cost country sourcing is decided. There are two ways of going to start the low cost country. Either you open the office in low cost country or you appoint a representative on your behalf in that country. But in some low cost country sourcing cases, the organization may think of shifting the complete manufacturing to low cost countries because to get the larger benefits to enhance the production capabilities on a larger scale with lower manufacturing cost. So, there are, when I was at Schneider, Schneider used to add 2 to 3 plants in India as well as 2 to 3 plants in China every year. So when I left Schneider in 2009, there were 14 plants of Schneider in India and 23 plants in China. So it is quite huge. Airbus and Boeing also have got global sourcing offices in India and China because they get huge benefits. The budget is like $100 billion. So everybody gets huge benefits of the low cost country sourcing. And I'll give the rough idea, what is, a product cost, say, for example, product cost 100 is for high cost countries like US and UK or any Western European country. Then 80 to 85 will be like India and 70 to 75 will be like China. So this will give a general rough idea where it stands. The low cost country sourcing benefits are very substantial, and you can lower the production cost, the manufacturing cost consistently year over year with the low cost country sourcing. Thank you guys. So if you like my video, please like it or subscribe it, and every alternate day I am planning to give on new topic of supply management free knowledge also. Thank you. Bye bye.